begin by sitting on the ground in Baddha Konasana, also known as bound angle pose. Bringing your feet together and knees out to the side. Hold on to your feet or your ankles. Sit up tall for a moment. Close your eyes. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, come to a forward fold. If you would like a deeper hip stretch at this time, bring your elbows to your knees and gently press them down towards the floor as you fold forward. Hold here and breathe. Slowly make your way up to a seated position and stretch your legs out to the side. Knees and toes are facing the ceiling. Take an inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, forward fold. Reach your arms forward, looking down. Keep as much length in your spine as you can and hold here. Slowly come up out of your forward fold. Bring your legs stretched out in front of you, flexing your feet. Once again, inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold forward. Holding on to your shins, your ankles, or your feet, wherever you can reach today is totally fine. Keeping as much length in your spine as you can. Looking down, hold here. Slowly come up out of the forward fold. Come onto your hands and your knees and we'll come into a child's pose. A wide-legged child's pose for this one. Stretch your arms out in front of you. Bring your forehead to the floor. Hold here. Remaining in your child's pose, walk your whole torso over to the right, stretching your arms out on the diagonal. Hold here, feeling a stretch in the left side of your upper body. Walk your torso over to the left this time, keeping your legs and hips where they are, stretching the right side of your upper body and hold here. Walk yourself back to the center and then make your way up. Coming to lying on your back, hug your legs in towards your chest, bending your knees, holding onto the shins and flexing your feet. Hold here. Take both of your legs, bring them over to the left, twist your upper body to the right, reach your right arm out to the side or bend it up as I am doing here. Looking over to the right, hold here in your twist. Come back through the center and switch sides, bringing your legs over to the right, holding onto your legs with your right hand. Reach your left arm out to the left, looking over to the left, either bending your left arm or keeping it straight. Hold here. And slowly and gently come back to the center, and we will take our final pose in bound angle pose once again, except in a supine bound angle pose. So you are lying down. Bring your feet to meet each other and your knees out to the side. Take a pause and grab some yoga blocks or pillows or folded blankets if you need some support underneath your knees. Try it out to see what works best for you. You can place your hands either on the ground beside you with your palms facing up or down, or you can place them as I'm doing here on my abdomen. Whatever is comfortable for you. Once again, find what works best for your own body. Once you're settled, relax here, close your eyes, deepen your breathing, coming inward, focusing on the inhales and the exhales. And we're going to hold here. Bring some gentle motion back into your limbs, and carefully, when you're ready, use your hands to help your legs back in towards each other and roll to the right side of your body, resting on your right side with your legs bent and your arm under your head for support. Gently press yourself up to a seated cross-legged position, crossing your shins, flexing your feet, hands to your legs, and sit up tall. Bring your hands to meet at the center of your chest. Bow your head to your fingertips. Namaste.